Okay, so we've got two Pine Time watches, both with the same firmware installed on them, and we've got two telephones running Open Seizure Detector. One on version 4.3.1. It's using the default settings, except I've disabled the flap detector alarm. And I've also got 5.0.5 where I'm running the Open Seizure Detector algorithm, but I've reduced the default alarm threshold to 100 so that they're both on the same settings. So you can see there I've got a threshold of 100 on the 4311 and a threshold of 100 on the 5.051, and also they're both using the same ratio threshold of 57 on each one. So they're set up identically as far as I can tell. Now I think looking at the clocks, they're about a second adrift. So one's updating at 45, the other one at 46 seconds. So if anything, we'd expect 505 to go off slightly earlier, but it does depend when we start doing seizure-like movement, whether it's caught within 1 5-second period or another. So what I'll do is I'll just start doing some seizure-like movements on both of them, because I've got them both on the same wrist, and this is probably going to make the video horribly bouncy. You can see that I've got my peak at a few hertz, which is what I'd look at. They've both gone into warning at the same time, and they've both gone into alarm. One slightly behind the other, but it was about a second adrift. So given the updates on the user interface, I think they're both working exactly the same, and I've got the same settings on both of them.